avoid the fine. I'm sorry. Let's bring in constitutional attorney and criminal defense attorney Pate. I can't believe that this actually happened.
Well, I understand the company wanting to crack down on people saying bad things about it, but they can't go this far. They can protect themselves against libelous statements. They can prohibit somebody from doing that. They can sue somebody, but they cannot stop somebody from posting a negative comment if it's mostly truthful.
Yeah, and it seems like it was mostly true. They never received their goods from the company, right?
Absolutely. And even though they want to put it in the terms of service in that agreement, that's okay. I mean, you can absolutely still state your mind and voice your opinion about a company because a judge, a court would never enforce that type of clause.
Okay, but the company turned them over to a collection agency. So it doesn't matter what you think as a consumer. You're already hurt by that. You're at the mercy of this company now.
Right. That's how the company strong arms folks, because they know it is so difficult to then try to undo a bad credit rating. And so they know you don't pay our fine, you don't agree to what we want you to do, we're going to report you, and then you have to try to undo it, and that makes it very difficult.
Okay, so this couple is going to take it to court.
Good.
So what might happen?
Well, I think they have a strong case, because in this situation, the company had decided that this statement was libelous on their own, not before a court, not before a judge, and then they fined them. And I think they have, number one, a right to get their money back, and two, perhaps punitive damages.
But, you know, credit reports, it's hard to, even if you're in the right, those things linger.
There is, but there's a federal law, Fair Credit Reporting Act, that if the credit ding was put there improperly, they've got to remove it, and if they don't, they can pay damages as well. Even the credit bureaus can pay damages.
And so just a final thought on this, like to protect yourself. I mean, do you never write a bad review online? Do you read your contract and all the fine print? Because nobody does that, frankly.
Right, nobody does that, especially online. As long as the terms are fair, then they're going to be enforced. But if you try to prevent someone from exercising their First Amendment rights, that's never going to be enforced by a court. So voice your opinion. As long as it's not clearly untruthful, you got a right to do that.
Pate, thank you so much. Still to